Hi everyone, I would like to share with you a spicy Andhra chicken recipe called Kodi Vepudu. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes. You can also substitute this with boned chicken. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Marinate this chicken for 30 minutes. Now I will take a pan and dry roast these masala, which is 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, and 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, about 6 cloves and 6 cardamoms, and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. So once it is roasted, you have to cool it down and then put it in the grinder and make a fine powder of that. Make a fine powder and keep it aside. Now take a pan and put around about 2 big spoons of oil and add cumin seed and about 4 cloves and some black pepper and cinnamon sticks and some full red chilies. And now we can add some fine chopped onions, around 2 onions, or you can even make a paste of onions and cook until they are brown. So as you see, the onions are getting brown. Now I can add some curry leaves, about 2 twigs of curry leaves, and about 2 spoons of garlic. You can chop or you can grind, and 2 spoons of ginger. And let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it is not raw and it's fully cooked. And here I will add about 1 spoon of green chilies. So here I am going to add about 1 spoon of salt, about half spoon of turmeric, and half spoon of red chili powder. So as you see, the herbs and the onions and the garlic is cooked, and now I can add the marinated chicken here. And give it a nice mix. As you see, after cooking on slow fire, most of the moisture has evaporated, and now I can add 1 tablespoon of the dry powder which I had made before, and mix it. It is up to you if you want to add more, and if you have to add less, it is according to you. If you want more spicy, then you can add more, and then in the end I will add some chopped coriander. So my Andhra style Kodi Vepudu is done, and I'm sure you will like the flavor of this because it is something different. The spices and the herbs give the authentic flavor and taste which satisfies the craving of everybody. Thank you for visiting my channel.